In Formula Drift, when you break something, you're done. That's why I choose the best companies to work with. My name is Lanz. I'm a Formula Drift prospect driver, and we're here to talk about my 2026 Pro build. What I like about Vibrant is that they don't just make one thing. They basically make everything you need to build a race car. Exhaust, fuel system, cooling, intake, clamps, fittings, tubing, everything. The last thing you want in drifting is oil getting into the front tires or onto the exhaust. That can end your run or even cause a fire. So the catch can is actually a reliability and safety component. Vibrant also makes really nice drain kits for their catch cans. So when it's time to empty it, it's quick and clean. We're also going to be running the Vibrant Double Pass Oil Cooler. The oil passes through the cooler twice, which removes more heat. All the plumbing on this car is Vibrant. PTFE for the fuel because it handles ethanol and pressure. Nylon braided for oil and coolant because it's durable and easier to service. It's all about using the right material for each system. If one injector clogs, you can end up with a lean cylinder and hurt the engine. We obviously don't want that to happen. So we're using a Vibrant 10 micron fuel filter. It filters very small particles before it reaches the injectors. Vibrant really has everything when it comes to fabrication. Tubing, flex pipes, V-bands, mandrel bends, pipe cuts, clamps, weld bunks, pretty much everything you need when building a race car. This is not even a quarter of what they have. Coming from a non-turbo V8, I was always jealous of the guys that were running this. So naturally, we're also using their HD clamps for the intercooler piping. They hold boost well and make the piping way easier to remove and service. For this build, we're mostly working with stainless and aluminum because the E46 is already light enough. But Vibrant also makes some really nice titanium fabrication components if you want to step it up or save some weight.